Editors spend a huge amount of time searching for timing. We test pacing, we nudge cuts, we rebuild edits when the music changes. Audio production solved this years ago with tempo maps, arrangement markers, visible timing structures. Video editing largely hasn't. The ClearCue precision timing instrument brings tempo mapping into video editing. Choose a tempo, select a frame rate, generate a timing structure, then export it directly into your timeline. Instead of discovering timing during the edit, you now design timing first. The structure becomes a guide for cuts, guide for motion, a guide for pacing, and a guide for transitions. Think of it as a tempo map for video. You can use it for pacing exploration, trailers, motion design, text placement, music-driven content, editorial planning, team communication. In fact, it can be used anywhere timing matters. Audio has tempo maps. Video now has one too, the ClearCue precision timing instrument, making timing as visible in an NLE as it is in a DAW.